What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Nick. On this channel I review products that I buy and things that I use every day in hopes to help you make better decisions when you buy things. That being said, in this video I'm going to cover this backpack. So I bought this backpack on Amazon a couple weeks ago, and so my goal, as you can see in the world surrounding us, is to be prepared in the event something would happen. Now, I'm not making a bug out bag because I have small kids and it's just not feasible for me to bug out. I'm pretty much going to bug in. But that being said, I do travel quite a bit for my job, and in general we travel a lot. So I've been watching other channels and following other guys on YouTube in their preparedness and their journey, and I wanted to make a get home bag. My goal is to keep this in my Jeep, so if I'm stuck, miles away from home, I have enough in that backpack to realistically last me for 3 days. I figure within 3 days I should be able to get home from wherever I'm at, where I travel on a normal basis, I should say. Any farther than that, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but more than likely my family will be with me, and we just have to find shelter or protection that way. Now, I'm not going to cover out what I'm putting in the bag in this episode, but I will put the stuff that came with the bag. Maybe for a future video I will do what I'm planning on putting in and what I'm actually going to keep in my bag, and this is going to ride in my Jeep, or if we go camping it's going to move to a different vehicle. Wherever, I'm going to carry it with me when we go places. At least it would help me to get home. So that being said, let's get this started. So like I said, I looked for a bag online on Amazon. I just searched, I searched basically backpacking. I don't know if I searched get home bags, but either way, I looked up a bag, and this one got a lot of good reviews. I liked a lot of the features of it. Price point was decent, so that was $29.99, free Prime shipping, came in 2 days. It was all vacuum sealed in a tiny box. Took it out, let it air out, and here it is. So it has one huge pocket. Starting out, it has one big pocket. This opens up to one big compartment. It has a few mesh pockets, a little bit of elastics and here, one big pouch over here. I think this is meant for a, let's say a laptop, I guess for tech warriors or whatever. But anyway, so one big pocket, and it has a decent amount of space. I haven't seen what I can actually pump in or put into it, but it has a decent amount of space. Has a pocket in the front that expands, and then an extra pocket up here with your goodies in it. So this comes with all your goodies. I'll go over those here shortly. Again, the pocket in the front, it's like a half zip pocket, comes with more goodies. Now, I normally pack this ahead of time, but I figure once I get it packed I'm not going to want to go through and show you all the compartments. But anyway, so that's one. Then it has a secondary large pocket in the front. I don't know if you can see that. Has some mesh webbing here, more space. Now, what I liked on this is it comes with the built-in backpacking harness. So if you were, you had to trek for a long period of time, this would ride on your hips and provide a little bit of support, so it's not so much on your back. I like that. Again, it has the two straps, all adjustable, D-rings, D-clips. You can tighten your tension on your shoulder straps. Has pouches on the flaps for your cell phone or whatever else you'd want to put in. And it has two pockets on either side. And then all the straps, on the front, you can, I guess, tighten down and to really compress it, to compact it. A little bit of give here. You could probably put a hatchet or something in there. But overall, for 30 bucks, I'm pretty pleased with it. And then some of the things it came with. It came with, I don't know what this thing is. It's like a laundry bag or something. I don't know, maybe I'll link the description. Came with a bunch of these D-clip styles, and then a little bit of paracord. I think it's a keychain. Guessing a water bottle, to hold a water bottle or a canteen pouch. And then the coolest thing, try to make sure my kids didn't get a hold of this, but it comes with like a multi-tool stainless steel function device. So it's got your, it's got a ruler, a saw, can opener, a wrench type thing to tighten certain whatever. Very sharp knife here. But overall, just a neat little tool to carry, I guess, if you were in a pinch, and it tells you all the 10 items that are included. So can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench for various size nuts and bolts heads, butterfly wrench, saw blade, 2-position wrench, lanyard hole, keyring hole. So maybe this on here if you wanted to, but this is pretty sharp. I was actually surprised I didn't cut myself, but so that's going to stay in that little pouch. So like I said, the reason I bought the bag is to make a get-home bag for myself to keep in my vehicle. My goal with the size of the bag is to make it not too bulky, that if I had to hike, let's say 15 miles, 20 miles, that I wouldn't be overexhausted carrying this gigantic duffel bag. But also not too small that it wouldn't really do me a lot of good. Like I said, 3 days, and that's in the, I guess, worst case scenario. I'd have to walk home. Would be the goal if I had to leave my vehicle. And a lot of people call it paranoid or whatever, but I'd rather be prepared. It's like insurance. I'd rather have it and not use it. It doesn't cost that much. It's going to sit in the back of my Jeep, and I would feel better. And worst case is I get a snowstorm and I get off the road or something. At least I have a pack that can help me until help gets there, or until I can get myself out. So hope you liked the video. If you have any questions about the bag or anything else in the supplies, like I said, I'm going to do a follow-up video that actually shows you what I'm going to put in that bag, or once I get everything together, laid out, how I'm going to pack the bag. But if you got enjoyment, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to follow along for more videos on purchases, hit that subscribe. Till next time, have a great day.